Well, hello everyone, this is CERT Instructor Ron. I just want to talk to you about a great way to go out and meet your neighbors. Now I know a lot of people might be shy, we've talked about this before about getting out and trying to organize your community some, your neighborhood. There's a lot of different ways to do it, but I'm going to show you a surefire way to get to talk to your neighbors. Some people may be a little door shy, but I'm going to show you one way I found. It works out really well. I've met a lot of my neighbors this way. I carry some of my cards on me. I'd advise you to kind of do the same thing, maybe get some business cards or something. That you can give people and tell them a little bit about yourself. They need to get in contact with you. Well, they've got your card to do that. So, let me show you what I do. Side, come. Here. Come on. Up. Come. Alright, so, everybody knows Cyrus. If you don't, Belgian Turberin. He has some search and rescue training. He will find you. However, he is not certified. So what I do is I take Cyrus on walks with me. He loves to go. You can see he's really my dog. Loves to get out and take a walk. So as I'm walking down the road, people will make comments, I'll wave to them, and they'll come to the curbside, we'll chat, I'll introduce Cyrus to them, and there you go. I can start that conversation about who I am, what I do, and different things. Now, the great thing about walking Cyrus and you walking your pet is that if something happens in your neighborhood per se, your dog gets out, guess what? Everybody knows whose dog this is. Not only that, they're going to know, well, here's my cat, talk about animals. They're going to know that's your dog or your cat or whatever. So in any case, get out with your animals. It's a great way to meet people and talk about what we do. So I just thought I would throw that out there today. Again, the cat just decided to photobomb the video, but that's Corri the CAT. She's a rescue cat. It's important that people know who your animals are, and it's a great way to meet your neighbors. So I thought I would share that with you today. Get out, walk your animals, and talk to people. Thank you very much. Again, like and subscribe, and comment on ways that you could get out and meet your neighbors as well. So I'm going to thank you. Well, Corri, go ahead, photobomb.